Yeah, there's a helicopter crash. Bro. Cool. Yeah, there's zombies around here. Probably take them out with my suppressor. Oh no, there's a bunch of them.
Wow. Yeah, there's a bunch of zombies.
Alright, just be ready to open up on these zombies, because I'm gonna crawl over to the bodies. Oh god, I'm right behind you. Hang on, do I get a car?
Do you want to go out there? I'll just cover. Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to do that. Just be ready to open up on some of these zombies. Yeah, this guy is an S16 here. And Alex pack.
I think the chopper might be coming back. Faintly hear it, I think.
I might just kill this zombie. I think I'm good though.
Yeah, I hear that chopper coming back. It's getting close.
Yeah, here too.
Wow.
Yeah, he's over the area. Yeah, and this is
Where are you guys right now?
and I'm getting really bad frame rate. Doing
Right in your belt.
alright. Yeah, the bodies are gonna
Are you guys at the northwest airfield?
Yeah.
I'm heading there right now.
Yeah, it looks like everyone else.
I think he landed. It looked like he was leveling out and then landed over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Use that to refill into,
Yeah,
his bookshelf can come. You have shit behind your feet.
doesn't look like there's anything
Where's all these cables that are sitting laying on the floor here? Take that set off for a minute.
Taking off though.
I can hear the rotors going. Maybe there's more than one helicopter. Maybe they're trying to fix up one.
Got a chimp on the left. Oh crap, he's agged.
Is he on us? We could, well, try to lose him in a pine tree. There's still one, it's still on the map, at the same location. Yeah, I think there's two helicopters. We should just sit and wait, watching
I
it.
think we lost the zombie.
Alright, I'm still running through, I didn't even see him. I'm trying to get there.
I'm right behind you and to your right a little bit.
Thank you. Try to get a look down this. There's a helicopter hovering. He's shooting at things down on the airfield. He just shot a freaking.
Maybe that was.
He just shot a freaking car.
Somebody just
And it
died too,
exploded.
so.